The first step in troubleshooting your TCL subwoofer is checking the status LED. A blinking light indicates it is searching for a signal, while a solid light confirms it is successfully paired. If there is no sound, use the 60-second rule. Unplug both the soundbar and the subwoofer from power for a full minute to clear the internal cache. Connect both devices to a surge-protected power strip. This prevents power fluctuations from potentially damaging the delicate internal logic boards. Check for physical obstructions. Moving the subwoofer away from dense metal furniture or Wi-Fi routers, which create signal interference, often restores the wireless link instantly. If power cycling fails, initiate a manual repair. Press the physical pairing button on the back of your subwoofer until the LED indicator begins flashing rapidly. Simultaneously, follow your specific model's remote sequence to trigger subwoofer discovery mode on your soundbar, allowing it to sync with the sub. If connection issues persist, open the TCL Home app to check for pending firmware updates. A protocol mismatch between the soundbar and the subwoofer is a frequent cause of failure. As a final resort, perform a factory reset of the soundbar system. This forces the subwoofer to reinitialize as if it were a brand new device, resolving deep-seated connectivity errors.